So the anticipatory set is the hook or the attention getter that teachers use in the beginning of class once students are ready to go. Typically about 2 or 3 to 5 minutes long. Tells students about what they're going to learn and just kind of grabs the student's attention. So for the anticipatory set that I'll be demonstrating will be with a 9th grade health class. The lesson will be focused on nutrition, specifically healthy alternatives to unhealthy snack options. So students will come in, there'll be different snack options on the board or up front on a table. The board will say, take whichever option you'd like as they're walking into class. I'll ask them a hook question. I'll say, how many of you go grocery shopping with your parents? So they'll come in, sit down, take any of these options that are sitting at the front to try to eat. I'll ask them the hook question. How many of you guys go grocery shopping with your parents? Most of them will raise their hands. As you go shopping with your parents, you pass the chip aisle. You say, Mom, I want these chips, or I want these cookies, I want these brownies, all those sorts of things. These are all healthy alternatives that taste just as good as those options, but are healthier options. For instance, the brownie batter hummus, much better option than, say, regular store-bought brownies. You can actually make brownies out of this brownie batter hummus. Your white cheddar organic chickpeas, instead of grabbing the Cheez-Its that everyone loves, these white cheddar chickpeas, are a much better option, and as well as the cinnamon graham crackers, much healthier option rather than cookies as well. So for this anticipatory set, obviously the kids will come sit down, and they'll have the option to pick any of these at the front of the room. As the board says, pick any of the following options to take to your seat and snack on as we get class started. Once everyone's in the classroom, obviously I'd check our internal system first to make sure there's no food allergies, stuff like that, but I'd have all this laid out. Students can try them. Then I'll go ahead and ask them how many of them go to the grocery store, what their favorite snacks are, things like that. Show them these healthier options, then we'll get into the lesson of nutrition and why certain options are unhealthy, why these are healthier.